case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The case of Commonwealth v. LeClair, heard by the Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court in 2006, revolved around a tragic episode of domestic violence rooted in control and power. A man, entwined in the throes of tumultuous rage upon hearing about his wife's decision to leave him, stabbed her to death. He had previously hired a private agency to track her whereabouts, striking an unsettling silhouette of a man entangled in a web of control issues. The crisis deepened when the man's simmering anger exploded into a heated argument with his wife's brother. The violent encounter surged to a climax as the defendant swung a knife menacingly at his brother-in-law before assaulting his wife. He initially stabbed her in the arm, then, in an escalating crescendo of violence, he held the blade to her throat and unleashed chilling threats. Yet it was a confession that ended the fatal saga. After being informed of his Miranda rights, the defendant confessed to the crime, setting the stage for a lengthy court battle. In a display of uncompromising justice, the court upheld the defendant's conviction for second-degree murder. It agreed with the preceding appeals court that the police had not breached his right to counsel. The court also dismissed as unmeritorious his request for instructions on voluntary manslaughter. The argument that his wife's leaving had so provoked him that his subsequent actions were not as culpably murderous. Furthermore, the Supreme Judicial Court dissolved the order from the lower court that had partially supported the defendant's motion to suppress evidence, eschewing to provide any fold of advantage to the defendant. Finally, the court affirmed the judgment, cementing the conviction to echo through the hallowed halls of justice.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.